This November, Scarborough residents will be voting to approve the funding needed to replace the artificial turf and resurface the track at the Clifford Mitchell Sports Complex. Scarborough Community Services has put together this informational video to help residents make an informed decision when it comes time to head to the polls. The current artificial turf was installed in 2006 by Sports Turf International. Included in that project was the resurfacing of the surrounding track, which has been part of the sports complex since 1979. The projected lifespan of any turf surface is about 10 years. Good maintenance has helped it last longer, but the safety of those who use the turf surface is becoming a cause for concern. This past summer, vandalism took place on the turf, causing significant damage. Although an unfortunate situation that caused the field to be shut down for several weeks for repairs, the need for turf replacement was apparent before this incident took place. Just to give you a little perspective on the amount of use that takes place at this facility, during the fall 2018 through summer 2019, the sports complex had scheduled use for approximately 1,051 hours of various activities and programs. This number does not reflect the hours of use by residents when the track and turf are open to the public, nor does it include high school physical education classes. There was 18 different user groups that had scheduled use during this time frame, such as Scarborough Athletic Department, Scarborough Community Services, Scarborough Youth Football, Scarborough Soccer Club, Scarborough Youth Lacrosse, and the Southern Maine Agency on Aging, which hosted their Maine senior games there. The larger groups that use the sports complex have several different teams or age groups within its own organizations. For example, the Scarborough Athletic Department, which includes the high school and middle school, had 27 teams that used the track and turf facility throughout the year. The track has a growing number of safety concerns and general deterioration of surfacing materials that need to be addressed. There is ongoing maintenance challenges such as grass and organic matter within the cracks of the track surfaces, as well as grass under the fence lines adjacent to the track. There are also constant repairs needed to the surfacing due to peeling and cracking of that track surface. Another challenge to the track area is the ongoing maintenance needed to the long jump pits, which the borders continue to deteriorate and presently do not meet current standards requiring for long jump distances as well as safety. The biggest challenges for the turf are the worn down fibers. These turf fibers are now down to its backing, which greatly reduces safety impact standards. This also creates a maintenance challenge because the infield is allowed to move around freely throughout the playing surface. Another challenge are the seams, which continue to let go, allowing infill to get underneath turf panels and field lines. This changes the elevation of the turf surface and creates tripping hazards. During this past July, the town of Scarborough receives requests for proposals for an artificial turf and track surface improvements. If we are fortunate to have funding approved for this project, we have selected field turf to replace the artificial turf. Cape and Island Tennis and Track will be assisting with replacing of the track surface. This project will replace over 97,000 square feet of turf surface within the sports complex. We hope this video has given you the information that you need to make an informed decision on November 5th. Please feel free to reach out to Scarborough Community Services or the Scarborough Athletic Department for a tour of the facility or with any questions that you may have.